Namaste. We are resident of Department of General Practice and Emergency Medicine, Patan Academic of Health Sciences, Nepal. Today, we will demonstrate needle cricothyroidotomy at our set. And you can see here, this is the thyroid cartilage and this is the Adam's apple, and this is the cricoid ring. The space below the thyroid cartilage and just above the cricoid ring is cricothyroid space. This is the space of our interest where we will insert needle for the needle cricothyroidotomy. More specifically, how the thyroid cartilage is present, and this is the thyroid cartilage, you can see here, and this is the cricoid ring, and this is the space below the thyroid cartilage and above the cricoid ring. This space is known as cricothyroid space. This space is space of our interest because in this space we will insert needle. For this purpose, we have prepared a dummy where we will insert needle for needle cricothyroidotomy, and this is self-made dummy for our procedure. For this procedure, we have managed some materials. Here is the wide bore cannula, a 5 ml syringe without a plunger. I have taken out this plunger. This is the 3 ml syringe in which I will fill 1 ml of distilled water, and this distilled water will help to identify either it is placed in airway or not, because when it is placed in airway you can see the bubble. If it is not placed in airway, the bubble will not present in this water. Now all materials are prepared, and this is the connecting pipes which will support the oxygen system. Now I want to move how to proceed. In this dummy, this is considered as thyroid cartilage, this is considered as cricoid ring, and the space just below the thyroid cartilage and above the cricoid ring is cricothyroid space. And here I will insert the needle. I will go to the left side of the patient and I will hold the cricoid ring with my left hand, and I will keep the cannula to my right hand because I am right-handed person, and I will insert this cannula to this space which is the marked already, and I will go at the 90 degree initially to pierce the skin. Then I will bend this needle to 45 degree and insert smoothly, and there is no resistance now. At this time I will pull this plunger and I will see, you can see that there is an air bubble. It means that it is placed in airway. So it is confirmed that it is in airway. Now I will pull out this needle and insert this cannula inside smoothly. It's taken out, and now you connect this 5 ml syringe to this place, and now we can connect the oxygen connecting tubes at the end of this syringe, and I request my friend to connect another end of this oxygen connecting system to oxygen cylinder or pipe. Now oxygen is coming here, but we have to think that one at a time it should be stopped, and at another time it should be continuous. So we have to say close and open. Close for 1 second and open for 2 seconds. For better, you say 0, 1, For close, and for open you say 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this ends our procedure. Thank you.